Introducing the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, front fog lights, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, and ABS brakes. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.